Hey friends, if you wish to fix Explorer.exe application error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to restart File Explorer. Search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open Task Manager. Right click on the Windows Explorer process and select Restart. The next solution is to update Windows. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab and click on Check for updates in the right pane. The next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The last solution is a malware scan. So search for MRT in the Windows search bar. Open MRT. Okay, the malware removal tool. Click on next, full scan, next, and then let it run through. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.